So you decided to start a business, huh? All right. Well, since you're in the business starting mood, I'm going to give you 7 different tips that you can use at tax time and all throughout the year for your new business. So keep watching. Hi there, and thanks for joining me at the Financial Spotlight. I'm Chantrell, and I'm here to give you financial tips and tricks that are going to help you on your road to know your money better. And today we're talking about the 7 quick little tax tips that are going to help you if you are a new small business owner. Now, I know it is exciting and maybe you're a little bit scared too because you just started your business and you don't know exactly what all the things are that you need to do to make sure that you're on the right track, to make sure your business is successful. But I'm here to give you 7 quick little tips that are going to help you get your business together and make sure that you're on the right track. So the first one is to make sure that you're making smart goals for your finances. Make sure that you are. The first thing you need to do is make a smart plan for paying taxes. Taxes are inevitable. You're going to have to pay them, especially if you're making money, because that's what you want to do. You don't want this to be a hobby. You want this to be a business. So you want to make money. So you're going to need to pay taxes. So make a plan. Either you're going to pay estimated taxes to the IRS every single quarter, or you're going to take the percentage of your income for that quarter or month and put every month, I would suggest every month, and put it into an account and save it up until the end of the year. When tax time rolls around, you file your taxes. Then if you need that money, it is there. Now, the extra bonus is that you make sure that you put that money into a savings account, a high yield interest savings account, a CD account, or something that is gaining interest for you. You don't want to just be putting money away and you're not getting money off of that. You want to make sure that your money is working for you. And why not have it work for you while you're saving it? And then if you have to pay the IRS at tax time, then you have that money plus the little bit of extra interest that you gained. And then if you don't have to pay the IRS at tax time, great for you, because you can keep it in that same account and keep building interest on it. Tip number 2 is to set up a retirement plan for yourself. You are now a business owner, and at some point you're going to retire. You don't want to run a business for the rest of your life, right? So start paying into a retirement plan. You can either get one through your immediate bank, like an IRA account or something like that, a traditional or a Roth, or you can go through some of the more reputable financial organizations and companies and get some type of retirement program through them. So make sure that you research that. I can put a link to some of them that I know about that are below in the description box. But it's important that you research and make sure that it's the right retirement program for you. The third tip is to make sure that you decide on your business entity, how you're going to run your business. Are you a sole proprietor? Are you running as an LLC, a S Corp, a corporation, a partnership? What are you doing? And when you figure that out, that's when you have to make sure that you are keeping track of your finances, filing all your taxes on time, making sure you have all the right forms that you need to fill out. And if you need to get with a tax professional or an accountant or anything, make sure that you find one that you feel comfortable with. Make sure that they are on the same page as you. You want to make sure that they're helping you plan for your wealth and moving forward and making strategies to make sure that you're not just paying the IRS, but you're paying yourself and that you are managing your money properly so that your business can be successful. Well, don't fret, because I have a free, yes, I said a free tax deduction list plus a guide to guide you through and tell you every single deduction and exactly why and how you write it off on your taxes. Go ahead and download that today. Link is down below in the description box. You'll thank me later. Tip number 4. One thing I see often is that everybody is putting all their money in one account. Please don't do that. Do not commingle your business money with your personal money. At least, even if you don't have a business account, at least have a separate account in your personal account that's only for business income, only for expenses that are coming from your business, nothing that has to do with your own personal money. Because once you commingle the money, then you don't know what is what and which one is which. And if you, hopefully this does not happen to you, but if you get audited, you need to have everything separate. You need to make sure that you know where things are coming from and where money is going into. And if you don't know where to start to get a business account for your business, a business banking account, make sure that you click the link in the description box below for the Found account. And I'm telling you, Found is a great account to have for your business, and it's going to help you get on the right track. And if you don't have an account and you haven't found one yet, click the link below and join Found. This fifth one is kind of a no-brainer, but I need to say it. Keep great financial records for your business. That means keep track of everything that's coming in and everything that's going out. If you have it on paper, that's fine. If you want to have something digital, one of the digital accounts that they have, QuickBooks and all of those, you can get that. Or you can also do it in an Excel or Google Sheets document. I have one of those linked below that you can go ahead and download to use in your business. But it's important that you have something where you're keeping track of all of your finances. Now, the sixth thing is to make sure that you know what you can and you cannot deduct on your taxes. You don't want to get in the wrong habit of deducting the wrong things, and then it comes around and the IRS decides, you know what, they're writing off a few too many things. Let's go ahead and audit them. You don't want that to happen. You don't want a red flag to happen for you. So you need to know exactly what tax deductions to take off on your taxes. And the seventh tip is make sure you are aware of all of the tax deadlines and the filing dates and all of the things that you need to adhere to for your specific business entity. So like before I said, you need to decide, are you going to be a sole proprietor, or are you going to be an LLC, or are you going to be a corporation, S corp, or a partnership? Each one of those has different rules and tax laws and tax dates and deadlines, etc. So that you need to make sure that you are adhering to the ones that are for your specific entity. Thank you so much for watching. And if you are just starting out with your business and you need some more tips and tricks, here's a video for you to watch right here. I'm Chantrell here at the Financial Spotlight. Thank you for watching and have a good one.